Alright. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my very first FabFitFun unboxing video, and this is the fall box. And if you don't know what FabFitFun is, it's a seasonal subscription where you pay $50 for the box if you want it. And yeah, like I said, it's a seasonal subscription, so it's not every month. So yeah, I have been wanting to do this for a very long time, but I did feel like it was kind of pricey. But once I did my research and I looked more into the subscription service, usually the box value is over like $200. So $50 compared to $200 is like nothing. So that's why I went ahead and I did it. And I really was excited because I love fall. I love Christmas. I love the cold weather. I love the rain. I love when it's gloomy outside. So yeah, this is what the box looks like. It's so cute. Look at the box. It has like coffee mugs. Not coffee mugs. Yeah. Coffee mugs, people, leaves, more like fall like looking stuff. I'm not sure, like, but it's so cute. I love this, and I have not really seen what I got just because I wanted to leave this for like a first like impressions of what I got kind of thing, and just show you my reaction on camera so you guys can see. But yeah, let me know if you guys have the subscription service, if you guys enjoy it, if you think it's worth it. Let me know down below in the comments. But this is what the box looks like once you open it, and it's so cute. I love the box. I have kind of attachment issues when it comes to like packaging for things, because if it's like really cute like this, then I don't want to get rid of it. But I mean, what am I supposed to do with it? And you know, so the first thing that I do see in the box is the like pamphlet little magazine that shows you and talks about all the products that you got in your box, which I have not looked through yet, but I am really excited to, and I will. I'm not sure if they include like the price, like the normal prices of everything in here, but if they do, I'll go ahead and leave that down below just so you guys can see how much of a deal we're actually getting in the box. And the second thing that I do see is the HelloFresh Cook Up a Fresh Start $50 gift card, and it's $25 off your first 2 boxes and free shipping. And then you get a code, and it looks like this, and which is really cool because I've actually heard of this other subscription service, which is for food. It's barking. Which I've actually heard of, and it seems really cool because you get all your like ingredients that you need and everything, and you just basically cook the meal, which is very easy. But I'm not very educated on this, but yeah, if you guys want to check it out, it's HelloFresh right there. And yeah, and then the second little pamphlet that we got was for the Luna Rica bars, and it's just this coupon code or discount code where you can get $3 off a box of Luna bars. So yeah, on Amazon, not like in store or anything, but yeah, this is what it looks like. And now we're gonna get right into the fun stuff. So I don't know how I'm going to show this to you guys, but the box actually comes, like, the products actually come in this, like, paper wrap, and then they have, like, this little sticker in the middle, which I've already ripped just because I wanted to open the paper before I started filming so it didn't make too much noise. But yeah, oh my god, I'm really excited. Okay, so the first thing I see right on top are the Luna Rica cashew butter filled fruit and nut bar. It's in salted caramel nut, and this is what it looks like. I've never tried these bars before. I've seen them like at Trader Joe's, but I've never tried them, and they seem really good. So it's gluten-free, non-GMO, and it's organic. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I don't know if you guys have tried this, let me know down below. But yeah, this looks really cool. Looks good. The second thing I see here are these two GlamGlow Bubblesheet Oxygenating Deep Cleansing Mask. So I got two, and I have seen people use these before, like on YouTube, not tutorials, but like reviews, I think. And it's like a sheet mask. You put it on your face normally, and then after you leave it on for a few minutes, it starts to like make bubbles. So then you take the sheet mask off, and then you rub in the excess that you have on your face. But yeah, I've never tried anything skincare related from GlamGlow just because they are very expensive. But yeah, I'm really excited to try these out. Hopefully they work well with my skin. I do have acne prone skin, and I do have oily combination skin. But yeah, I'm really excited for these. Also, for anything that I mentioned down below, please let me know if you've tried, just because I'm really interested, and please let me know how these products work for you, which would be very helpful for me. Thank you. Really excited for that. Okay, so the next thing that I see here is the Skin&Co Roma Blue in Capri Shower Gel. It says with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, or autumn bloom. And this is the Italian collection, which it says is limited edition. And this is what it looks like. I've never tried anything from this brand. Let me see if I can smell it. No, I think it's closed. Let me see. Let's just lift the seal. Ooh, it smells really good. It smells... I don't know. I can't really, like, compare it to anything because I don't think I've ever had anything that smells like this. But it smells really good. You can smell the sage and, like, basil rose. And it says autumn bloom, which I'm not really sure what that would smell like. But, yeah, it smells good. It smells... I don't know. It smells good. I don't know. So, yeah. I've never really smelled anything like this, so I'm not sure, like, how to explain it to you guys. I'm not very good at explaining anything, so I'm really sorry. But just trust me, it smells good. I feel like this might not be a smell for any, or not anyone, but everyone. It just depends, like, if you like if you're into, rosy, like plant scents. Yeah, I'm not very good at describing. I'm so sorry. But yeah, that seems really good. So the next thing I see here is the Simply Whimsical Homemade Pretty Towel. It's like a kitchen towel, which looks like this, and it's like this like pattern, which is nice. Let me take it out of the packaging, and I'll be right back, just because I don't want it to make a lot of noise. Okay, so yeah, it comes with two. And this is what it looks like. They feel really nice and, like, pretty good. Like, they feel not too thick, but not, like, you know, so thin that they feel really cheap. But yeah, they're really nice. I like the pattern. It's just a white and gray stripes. And yeah, I'm really excited to try these. I mean, I'm not, like, a homeowner, or, like, I don't live on my own. So I'd probably give this away to someone. I don't know. We'll see. But these ones seem really nice. Okay, so the next thing that I see here is the Grown Alchemist Hydra-Repair Day Cream. And this is in Camellia Geranium Blossom. But yeah, it's just this, I guess, cream, Hydra-Repair Day Cream. I've never seen anything from this brand. I've never even heard of this brand, so that should be saying quite a lot. And yeah, this is what the tube looks like. It's in a really like cool tube. This just reminds me of like hand lotion. I'm not sure if it is hand lotion. Let me see. Oh no, this is a nourishing, non-greasy facial why can't I talk? Facial moisturizer that noticeably improves skin hydration levels without leaving residue, oil, or shine on the skin. So yeah, it's a face cream and it's supposed to help rehydrate your skin, which is really nice. I am starting to get more, or wanting to get more into the skincare products that hydrate my skin, because I do feel like when I apply my makeup, my skin looks really dry underneath my makeup, and it just makes my skin look very kind of cakey and just dry. So yeah, if you guys have any recommendations on products that help hydrate your skin and that are on more like a affordable drugstore kind of price, then please let me know in the comments. So yeah, this looks really cool. I have never really used anything like this, I don't think, but yeah, I really like the tube of it. I don't know, it looks kind of cool. So another thing that I'm really excited for is this BeautyBlender, which is in a really weird color. I've never seen this color before, but it looks like this. I'm really excited because I've never have used a beauty blender, or for any, like, for a matter of fact, even owned one. So yeah. So this is what it looks like. It looks like a little egg. It's very bouncy. It seems really tiny, but I'm pretty sure, like, I'm not sure if this is like a mini size or whatever, but yeah, it seems really squishy, seems really bouncy. I don't know, it seems really nice. I'm really excited to try this out with my makeup. So yeah, if you guys have one of these as well, let me know how you like it, because I've never tried it before. Because they are $20, I believe, for one beauty blender. So yeah, I'm not about to spend $20 on a sponge. So yeah. And then this next product is the Farmacy Do It All Total Eye Cream, which looks like this. Packaging is really cute. And this is a, like I said, eye cream. And I'm also starting to get more into hydrating my under eyes, because I can't get the box open. I don't want to rip it, but I might have to. I can't even open the damn box. Okay, there we go. I do have like these little bumps underneath my eye, but they're not really like bumps. They look like bumps, but they're my under eye is pretty smooth. I don't know what it could be. But yeah, this is what the product looks like. It looks really cool. Yeah, I don't know what it could be. So I'm just thinking that maybe my under eyes are dry or not hydrated enough. So yeah, I'm trying to see if I can find a product that can help with that, and hopefully this helps. This says this is a powerful moisturizing eye cream to help minimize signs of aging, stress, fatigue in the eye contour area. So hopefully this helps. Seems kind of pricey. I don't know how much this is, but yeah, just by the look of it, it looks like a pricey product. Okay, so the next product is the Cobra wireless earbuds, and this is what they look like, which I'm really excited for, because I don't have wireless earphones, and I've been wanting some for a really long time, just because sometimes the cord of like my Apple earphones are really annoying. I do have the iPhone 6s, which I know is kind of old, but yeah. And yeah, just the cord sometimes gets in the way and it's really annoying, so I'm really excited to try these. I've never heard of this brand before, and they are Bluetooth, so yeah, hopefully they work very well. The next product is the Crown Pro for Pros by Pros. Crown Brush 6-piece brush set. Ooh, I remember choosing these instead of like a tote. But yeah, they come in like this like nice baggie. And this is what the little brush holder looks like. And yeah, these are what the brushes look like. And they seem really soft just by touching like the tops of them. But yeah, I'm really excited to try these out. I've never tried any brushes from this brand. I haven't tried anything else or anything at all from this brand. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this out, and hopefully they're good, because I've been wanting to buy more brushes just because, you know, I love makeup and brushes are part of makeup, so why not, right? And I believe the last thing that I got, yeah, the last thing that I got was this Alfred French press coffee maker. I'm not, you know, I like coffee. I like drinking coffee just because I feel like it helps me stay awake most of the day. But I'm not the type of person who loves the taste of coffee. I would rather have coffee that is more of, I don't know, like, I don't like the taste of coffee itself, but I do like drinking it. But yeah, the coffee I usually drink is already like a 3-in-1 kind of thing that already has like the sugar and everything added to it. So yeah, oh my god, this is really cool. I did see that you could have gotten like little teapot, but I thought this was really cool and like way better. So I'm really excited to try this. I have never used one of these before. This is what it looks like. This is my first copy, which is really cool. Yeah, I don't know if I'm ever gonna use this, so I think I might give it away, but I'm not sure just yet. So yeah, that is it for my first FabFitFun box. I am actually really happy with most of the products, actually all of the products, because they're things I've never tried before. So yeah, like I said, they're $50 a box every other month, not every month. I think it's like every 3 months, I'm not sure, but they're seasonal boxes and they're $50, and usually the value of the box itself is more than $200. So yeah, I think it's a great deal. Yeah, like I said before, please let me know if you have had, if you've been subscribed to FabFitFun for a while, if you think it's worth it, and if you like the products that you got in this box. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to please like this video if you are excited for fall. And don't forget to subscribe. That'd be really nice. I would really appreciate it. So yeah, thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!